Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V the Architect. Today we are looking at how to create a canvas wall art using Revit. Open Revit, go to Models, go to New, select Metric Architecture Template, then press OK. Let's create a simple room. First, go to Floor, Rectangle. Let's make it. Or first, let's change the unit, press UN, the length 2 meter, the rounding to decimal, then press OK, then OK. Let's create our floor like this one, then press finish. Now architecture, walls architecture, also the same, rectangle. Select your walls, top component, let's make it level 2. Go to section, let's create a section from here to here. Select your section line, right click, go to view, and here it is, our wall. Let's go realistic. Now let's create our frame. Go to component, model in place, select walls, then OK, then OK. Extrusion, pick a plane, select your wall. I want this one. Rectangle, let's create this one like this. Offset 0.05. Tap to select multiple lines. The extrusion start from 0 and the end, let's make the thickness 3 cm. Then press finish. Let's change the material. Let's choose this one. Also create extrusion, pick a plane, the same, rectangle. Now from inside, let's make it 0.01, then press finish. Let's give it a material, same material. Then press finish. Now go to insert, decal, place a decal, go to new, name it whatever you want, go to source, then select your image. Then press OK. Drag it here. Let's check this one to make the size that you want, like this. And here it is. You can also edit it, like select this image, or go to insert, decal types, this one, our image, and you can choose the finish and whatever you want. The bump, let's make it 20, then press OK.